When we teach our medical courses, we want our students leaving feeling like they're ready. That means having the knowledge and the tools that they need in the backcountry to feel confident and competent. That's why we've created these compact first aid kits that can handle any of your basic life support emergencies that you might come across. Let's check out what's inside. CPR face shield, one-way valve, 2 sets of gloves, tourniquet to manage deadly bleeds, 2 compressed gauze for wound packing, self-adherent wrap, sometimes also known as vet wrap, emergency blanket, great for making pelvic binders or protecting from elements, 2 packets of honey for glucose emergencies, NPA for airway management and the lubricant, 4 pre-labeled ziplocks for your medication, Aquatabs. Here's Danny's first aid kit with a couple extra recommended things added inside. Let's check it out. So in this kit, there's been epinephrine added, ASA, extra medications, and we also always recommend carrying a knife and a lighter in the backcountry.